And in today's video we start at Malaga to Marbella bus, and at the end we have a 4-star hotel review with luxury shops and bars at Puerto Banus night walk. Video you will not want to miss, so watch till the end. And we start our journey with a walking tour here and guidance from Malaga Airport arrivals and onwards to our bus as shown. And here you see you can walk towards the duty free and then you take a right towards the exit. Now I did walk into the duty free myself and then took a right as I had to buy something here in the shop, as there's good deals on alcohol and cigarettes and chocolates, whatever your fancy is. And we take a right here out the exit as shown. And we take a right again, and you see the taxi signs above, and straight ahead for taxi if you need that, or see our ticket booth in red is just up ahead. And our ticket today cost us €8.70 for an adult single, and the journey time takes around 40 minutes. Also, cash and card are accepted here at the ticket booth, and there is a seat reservation number on this ticket as shown. In addition, you can book online your seat with Avanza in advance if you wish. And we now turn around and back at the ticket booth as shown, and then we head towards our stop. As you notice, the elevators were to your left, so you keep going straight on and you'll see the stop directly in front of you. Here are some of the other areas that are served at this stop. If you don't wish to go direct to Marbella, it also serves Figueroa, Mias, Sao Paulo, Bellamadla, Torremolinos and Malaga City Centre and Esteponga as shown. And here is our Avanza bus for today. And we leave Malaga Airport on time at 13:10, and this bus is direct to Marbella, but some are not, so check out the timetable at the stop or even before you travel. And there was leather upholstery, seating and aircon and a reading light overhead, but I must say I could not find a charge point. And I must say the seats provided ample legroom and the seats were very comfortable for the 40-minute journey. Now let's enjoy the beautiful views as we make our way towards Marbella, and then we'll review the 4-star hotel. At the end we'll have some drone shots, luxury shop walk along the Puerto Banus, and that you will not want to miss this one. As you can see, the seats are laid out in a 2+1 style seat arrangement. And Marbella is a small station, and the local bus number 2 at the station can be taken to Marbella city centre. And there is a taxi rank also at this station as shown, which I did use. Our 4-star hotel review is the Senator Hotel in Marbella with outdoor pool and jacuzzi as shown. Also, there's an indoor pool and jacuzzi at a spa and wellness centre, but this is at an extra cost. And our hotel only costs €56 per night as it is not a busy time of the year. Now let's take a walk to our room, and do let me know in the comments if you wish to see more hotel reviews or not. And I must say everything looks very nice, and also the mattress was like sleeping on a cloud. Absolutely soft and pleasant night's sleep. And there was 2 free bottles of water in the fridge, a nice surprise. And you also have the option to have your fridge stocked as a minibar, at an extra cost of course. Also, there's room service, and you can see there's tea, coffee available here, and menu here you can scan for your room service. Here's a view from the balcony, and we can see the La Concha mountains, and there's a 40-inch TV and a safe as shown coming up here in the room also, but you do have to pay extra for the safe. And I must say the bathroom was also nice, well designed, spacious, with free products, and it was all well stocked throughout with plenty of towels. And here is a lovely drone shot of the golden sands and the blue and green water of Marbella coastline. Look at these first sights. What a place. Also, the La Concha Mountains overlook the town of Marbella, as you can see here. And we now walk along the famous beach Puerto Banus, which is famous for its party bars, golden sand, and this is early morning, but in the summertime, this is really party central. And you can see the luxury yachts here along Puerto Banus, and this is a place very popular with celebrities and people of fame and fortune. So keep your eyes peeled, as you never know whom you might meet along the walk. And it is night time when Puerto Banus really comes to life. But now let's take a walk along Puerto Banus, and we'll see the luxury shops, the bars, and the shops are like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Rolex, and I won't spoil it, so you'll see more along the way, and some nice restaurants and bars. Now it is winter season, so it's not as busy, but in the summer this place is party central and shopping galore, I must say. No.
¿Cómo así? Ja, Dieu. Oh, je t'ai vu.
T'as pas dit non, prof, j'ai mal à la tête. Ah, déjà, j'ai vu que t'as vraiment mal à la tête. Ça se voit que t'as mal à la tête.
Now I do hope you enjoyed today's video, and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of these walks, hotel reviews, along with the mode of transportation as usual to our destination. But if you'd like to see the walks at the end of each video, more guidance like hotel reviews and such, let me know. Thank you.